you like this video, please help me out. Do me a favor. I'm not sure about the whole algorithm thing, but everybody says if you click the little thumbs up button and you subscribe, and even if you make a little comment as just a hey Grant or something like that, that all helps my subscribers go up. It helps YouTube suggest videos to other people, which help build my subscribers, which maybe someday I might be able to make a couple cents off of each video or something. Anyway, if you do any of those or all of them, I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.